guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me Dinu. Today I'm going for a cycle tour in our island. See, so welcome to the video. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഹാർബർ കേട്ടോ. അപ്പം ഹാർബറിലേക്ക് നമ്മളിത് കയറാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. ഹാർബറിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ അത്യാവശ്യം സീ നല്ല റഫാണ്. ഇത് ഇവിടുത്തെ ഒരു ലോഞ്ചാണ് കേട്ടോ. ഇത് ഇവിടുത്തെ ഒരു ലോഞ്ചാണ് കേട്ടോ. ലോഞ്ച്, പിന്നെ ഇവിടെയുള്ള മീൻ പിടിക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന ഓരോരോ ബോട്ടുകളാണ്. അതൊരു വലിയൊരു ഫിഷിംഗ് വെസലാണ് കേട്ടോ. ഫിഷിംഗ് ബോട്ടാണ്, സ്ഥിരം മീൻ പിടിക്കാൻ പോകാറുള്ള ബോട്ട്. ഇതിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോ മുകളിൽ കാണുന്ന ലിങ്കിൽ നിൽക്കിയാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. വരി, ഇതിവിടെ ഒരു വലിയൊരു ക്രെയിൻ. ഇത് ഇവിടെ തെങ്ങൊക്കെ മുറിച്ച് നാട് കടത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. റിസോർട്ടിലൊക്കെ വിറ്റുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഈ ഐലൻഡിലെ കുറേ തെങ്ങുകൾ. നല്ല അടിപൊളി ക്ലൈമറ്റ് ആട്ടോ. നല്ല അടിപൊളി ക്ലൈമറ്റ് ആണ്. നല്ല കാമായിട്ട് ഇതുണ്ടോ, മഴ ഇങ്ങനെ വന്ന് നേരെ നിൽക്കുക. യു ക്യാൻ സീ റൈറ്റ്, വെരി നൈസ് ക്ലൈമറ്റ് റൈറ്റ്. See, we can see many boats are there. These are the fishing boats of our island. Who's this boat? Atif. See, we can see one tree, like small coconut tree, but many coconuts are there. But everything is small. Shall we go there? Yeah, see, many small coconuts are there. Many are there, right? Oh my God, many are there. Many are there. Okay. Tell them to don't cut these trees, okay?
There is not finish.
See, this is the mountain of our island. This is the mountain, right? Okay. And many rabbits are there inside this jungle. Many rabbits. If we are coming at 6 o'clock, we can see many rabbits. Next, we are going to the other side of the mountain. See, very nice climate with a cool wind, right? Oh, super. See, these are our friends. Iloshi. Iloshi means, what do you mean by Iloshi? Oh my God, right? Hey, come on. Oh, heavy rain. Like we can stand under the that solar. This is our island solar panel. We can see a huge one.
Yeah, huge solar panel.
Yeah, huge solar panel.
Oh, big.
Oh, this one is enough to get the current from for this whole island.
Yeah.
No schools also there.
Yeah, school also. This is the solar.
Hey, put me in the video.
Yeah, come on. This is Lisan.
Me.
Lishan.
Listen.
Yeah.
I don't have. Listen me.
This is Yusuf. These all are my students. Is he is Ferrari lover though? Ferrari lover.
You say the Bugatti and the Lamborghini.
Oh. See, now raining. Oh. What a funny though.
We cannot record. No break.
Why? No problem though. Leaking. Yeah, okay. All is there. See, now heavy rain.
Numero uno.
See, now heavy rain.
Ah.
Very nice to stay here, right? Nowadays very nice climate. Not that much sun. For surfing here. Where?
Look where.
Yeah, where's the coming inside now?
Look at that side. That side is calm. This is and that side is good for fishing. This side is good for surfing.
This side is good for surfing.
That side and that side.
That is good for like snorkeling, right?
Yeah. That side is very good. That side.
For
Yes.
what?
So, what happened to
Huh?
we will go. Surf. One. So,
Where?
yeah, 18.
Hey, that day we saw that turtle. One day me, my son didn't take. He went for something. Oh my God. Come on. They got the permission for. They got the permission for playing rain, right? She's very happy, right? Huh? Hooray! Ready? Oh. See, this is our island solar system. Solar system. See, hey, everyone going for playing, right? So today's rain is over, so I'm winding up the video. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye. Like, share, subscribe.